How to put Instagram aesthetic blurry filter on photo from camera roll. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your uh, Instagram app and then go to the your story options and then click to the camera. After that, when you come to the camera, you can see lots of filter. Just scroll down and just click to the browse effect options. After that, just click to the search bar and type black and white blur. After that, just click to the first filter and then click to the add to um, after that, just you can see the filter is now saved. After that, just click to the dreamy options and then just choose the second options and then click to the saved options. After that, just go back and click to the your story options and choose the photo. After that, just click to the effects options and then first choose the black and white blur and then just click to the done options and then just save this photo and then just wait a couple of seconds. After that, just wait. After that, just go back and just choose the photo again and then just click to the effect options and then click to the dreamy and then click to the done options and then click to the your stories options. After that, you can see the Instagram aesthetic blurry filters is now applied. So that's the process how you can put Instagram blurry filter on your photos. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.